Hi everyone. I thought I would share the setup of my traveler's notebook passport size and how I've been using it as a wallet, especially during the pandemic. I started using this, I bought it in January of 2019 and I started using it from April of 2019. So I'll post that unboxing video up here so that you can see the items that I happened to get on that haul. That particular year, the one I really loved was this Traveler's Tools collection that was released. I had been wanting a Traveler's Notebook pen for a long time, and I really loved this pen. And during the pandemic, this has been the handiest thing to have, especially when I've done doctor's appointments and other things, signing receipts when the Uber drivers came or food delivery. It's been so handy to just have this pen to just grab it along with my debit card and everything else. And this has been the best thing I could have thought of to put with my wallet. The band that originally came with this, I think it was dark blue. So this was the other band that was in the box. So I changed it out. Really loved the contrast of this mustard because at that time I had also found this insert here that acts as like another wallet for me. I don't remember what brand this is. I just bought another one with the new release of the B-Sides and Rarities. They have one with a little leather logo. So I did get that one because this has been really, really handy. It's not falling apart or anything. Mainly what I want to feel is the difference to see if the zipper on the Traveler's Company one, if it's any smoother than this one that I have. I think I found this one on Etsy. So this one has been great because back here is where I actually keep my debit card and like my Kroger card, my grocery store cards and things like that. It's very easy and fast to just slide them out and use them as I need them every day. So that's been really convenient. I slide in different receipts just on the go, especially the smaller receipts that I'm wanting to save, or I'll just fold up the bigger receipts and slide this in here until I get home and put them where I need. This was another one that I really loved, this little clear pocket. I attached it with the bookmark, and what this is our car insurance cards. So with the girls and everything else, we have 3 cars, so I keep all our car insurance cards for each vehicle in here, so I always have it with me, and it doesn't matter which car that I've left the house with. So that little bundle there is on one strap, but in the very opening, let me show you in here, I use the craft folder. Now I always put like a craft folder or something in between the cover and this zipper pouch because I don't like that plastic indentation getting on my cover. So you can see it's really protected it. It's got it a little bit, but not bad at all. It's not like a real obvious rectangle there. So here's just where I store some extra stickers. This is, I don't think this was from the tools. I think this was from like the previous year sticker pack with the instruments. So that was another one of my favorites. I have a hard time committing using those stickers, but I really love this one on the craft folder here. I used this card insert, and I used sticky notes so that you could see how I realistically use it. I put cash in this first one here because honestly, this zipper is so thin, I don't want to break it, so I only use it for very little things. The main thing I'm going to be changing in my setup soon is this notebook right here. I want to use something a little more functional. This has been my little quotes notebook, and then also as I go, like when I had physical therapy and things this year, I jotted down some notes and things like that that I needed. But I think I'm changing this one out. So that'll be a new video coming up next, is I'm actually changing the setup of my wallet. But I wanted to show what I've been using so far, and then you can compare and see if you like this setup for yourself better, or if you like the one that I'm about to do. So I wanted to give you kind of a realistic look with real cards, so I just stuck sticky notes over everything. My credit cards, my AAA membership, my driver's license, and American Express card, but also behind this is my health insurance card, and behind this is my other American Express card. So those are our HSA card and business card, and of course I always end up pulling out my health insurance card with my driver's license. So I really have 3 cards in each section here, so I can fit 6 cards just right here with this one pouch. So this zipper pouch has been very practical, and I've really enjoyed it. And so here I have a medical power of attorney, and I just slide it in and out of the other side of my craft folder. And then this I use with that little notebook. Again, this is the music edition one. Okay, there it is. 2019 is when that sticker came from. So this was the tools collection from 2019. So I really loved that color, and I thought the dark blue would go really well with that particular theme. So that's the one I had picked up. And I think that's it. I think I showed you everything. So that has been my wallet setup for the past couple of years. Again, this has worked really well, but since I have used it for 2 years now, I have found there's just a couple of little changes that I'd like. I'm still going to use the passport size. Absolutely love this size. It's been a very practical wallet. I had looked and looked. I had looked at Michael Kors wallets. I had looked at Kate Spade, Coach, and I just wasn't finding anything that really matched what I use this for. So I've scratched that idea. I'm not going back to a regular wallet at this time. I'm going to be using a traveler's notebook passport size. So if you use one as well, please link it below. I'd love to see your wallet set up. Since I'm in the process of changing mine now, I'd love to see how yours is set up. And I'll post some close-up pictures of some of these inserts. Sorry, I don't remember where that yellow insert came from. Again, that video that I'd posted before of the unboxing, maybe it's in there. So you can reference that video. But if you're looking for one similar to that, Travelers Company has released one with their B-sides and rarities that is available now. And so I'll be showing that one in my next video. Well, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you love your Traveler's notebooks, please give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.